Blended threats are used by cyber experts to combine various programs like viruses and Trojans to create havoc in a system.
Just how do they do that?
With the greater awareness through several media, users have become savvier about traditional threats, but not to be outdone. Cybercriminals are discovering ways and means to stay ahead on the curve. The current trend is to combine all the components of worms, Trojans, and viruses, plus more to maximize the damage and increase the difficulty of detection and prevention of the threat. Blended threats are more sophisticated form of attack by building some of the worst aspects of viruses, worms, Trojan horses, and malicious code into one single threat. Characteristics of blended threats are that they damage the infected system or network and propagate using multiple means. Website links from where malware or spyware is secretly downloaded to computers are distributed by using spam emails or instant messages in the most type of blended attacks. Blended attacks severity can be measured from the example of mobile operator who lost 10 million in just a few days' time. As per the incident, thousands of missed call alerts were received by subscribers. When they dialed the number back, it had a recorded voice message stating number was busy and to call back later. In fact, the number they dialed was an international satellite phone service costing a few dollars per minute. By the time customer complained after they received the bills, money had already been paid by their operator to the satellite company. The customers had to be refunded by the operator from his own kitty, thus suffering a great loss. A blended approach might send an email with an attachment to the target computer, while the initial payload could be a virus in the attachment. It could also have worm-like capabilities to spread after making the original infection. Real-life examples of blended threat programs include Code Red and Bugbear. A significant percentage of modern malware are actually blended threats, even though they are referred to as a worm or virus. This is especially true with botnets, where exploits involve multiple forms of propagation, Trojan horse-like functionality, and then the capability to launch a coordinated denial of service attack.
So, we are also to be aware of such threats, ma'am?
Definitely, Rajesh. Now let me tell you about denial of service attacks.